go over solving equations by factoring. So the first thing to note is that we have a quadratic here, and it's set equal to 0. Okay, for solving equations by factoring, we're going to have to make sure that this side equals 0 to use this method. So let's just factor this side like normal. So remember, we're going to have x and x. So we need two numbers that add up to 5 and multiply to 6. It's going to be positive 2 and positive 3. So now from here we have x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. Well, when can two numbers multiply equal 0? One of them has to be equal to 0. That's the zero product property. So in order for two numbers to multiply equal 0, at least one of them has to be 0. So that means that this whole thing, x plus 2, could equal 0, or this whole thing here, x plus 3, could equal 0. If this is 0 or if this is 0, then multiplied equals 0, and this will be true. So since x plus 2 could equal 0, we can see what x would be in that situation. X would be negative 2. And from here, subtract 3 from both sides, x could be negative 3. So we have two solutions, negative 2 and negative 3. Make sure you use the curly brackets, not the round parentheses. Okay, let's look at another one. X squared plus 4x minus 12 is 0. So again, let's factor this. We have x and x, have to add up to 4, multiply negative 12. Since they have to multiply to be negative, they're going to be different signs, positive and negative. So multiplies negative 12 adds to 4, it's positive 6 and negative 2. So now set each of these factors to 0. X plus 6 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and solve for x. Minus 6 minus 6, x could be negative 6. Plus 2, x could equal positive 2. So we have two solutions, negative 6 and positive 2. Alright, take a look at this one. X squared plus 3x plus 4 equals 14. Okay, notice that this side does not equal 0. In order to use this method, this side must equal 0, so we have to make the side equal 0 by subtracting 14 and bringing it onto this side. So now we have x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. Now we can factor and solve. So we have x and x. Has to add up to positive 3, multiply to negative 10. So it's going to be a positive 5 and negative 2. So now this times this is 0, so set each of these factors equal to 0. X plus 5 could equal 0. X minus 2 could equal 0. Then solve minus 5, x is negative 5, plus 2, x is positive 2. So the solution set is negative 5, positive 2.